Very well. Good. Fine.
Okay, good, fine. Oh, okay, Ustadzah and Aldi, we will give you some question. It's about English Day today and how we can improve our English Day celebration for next year. For the first, the question from Irma.
Okay. Excuse me, Ustadzah Tatin. What do you think about English Day program in our school?
Okay. Before I answer your question, so may I greet to all students here?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So I want to know. Stand up, right? I want to know your spirit. So if you have strong spirit, I will give you something for each grade. Grade 8 and 7E and B. So, good afternoon, student. Are you ready? Okay. So, listen and watch this celebration with fun and grateful heart. So, I will answer your question, maybe. Okay. So, because this is the very first time about agenda of English Day, first year kita, our first year, yes, right. So, bilingual program is very important for our school actually because it provides our students to high benefits, strong skill automatically in English. So because English is very important for, it's not only for learning, for study, but also for communication between friends or other people, not only in Indonesia, for other country maybe. Because communication is now is so wide, it's not only between you and your friends, but also you can connect with the other from the internet or your online friend like Aldi, he has online friends, right? Okay, so I think bilingual is very important to learn in school, to give them and provide them more English actually. Right. It's for me. Yes.
I see, Ustadzah. English is exactly important to our life,
Yes.
and not only for our education, ya guys.
Yes.
And do you know what Miss Tatin say? What is that, Helga? What Miss Tatin say to you?
Translate.
Helga maybe is more understand than I about English because in English class is very active.
Oh, very active. Okay, good.
It's also answer in English. Everything is answered in English.
Helga,
What I ask in bahasa.
what Miss Tatin say to us? You don't understand. It's okay, Helga. Okay, for the next question, still in Miss Tatin.
Yes.
So because this is our first celebration for this year, maybe we will have the same celebration, but how to improve or how to make this celebration more colorful, more impactful for the next year?
Exactly. So, just information for all of you now. I'm just a little bit nervous because this is the first time, the very first time. Okay, and I don't want to show you about that because I don't want to nervous like to me. But exactly for the next year, I want this is more celebration is about performance, more activity, and then more spectacular maybe from this one, from today, because this is the first time, and we can learn what we missed for today, and we can better for the next.
Okay, so maybe we will have dancing, yeah, dancing.
Yeah, maybe
Drama.
Yes, drama, mini drama.
Okay.
Boom, and many more. So
Many more, okay.
more performer, more students show their ability in English.
Okay, that's good answer from Mr. Tin. But we need to move to the next speaker. Ustaz Anis, are you nervous?
No.
No, okay, good. Good. Okay,
Sadanis. How about you? What do you think about English Day in our school?
English in our school.
Yes.
Enough, let me start in Irma. English Day in our school. I speak slowly. That English is English study.
English Day.
English Day very important in our school because by English Day student can study English step by step. Maybe yes. You can speak English step by step like Ustadzah. And then you make study English by happy, fun, and enjoy. We perform, you can get special experience that is you remember until tomorrow or other, ya kan? Diingat sampai nanti ya. Ya. And then apa lagi ya? Mix by Indonesia.
Yes.
Mixi. English for us ya. Tadi udah buat student and then as a ustadzah or teacher, we know yeah that student have many ability or many kemampuan sendiri-sendiri. For example, he many competent, and then B competent, and then C need improve, need English for study English like that. Okay, jadi English was important in our school, our life and education. Enough.
Yeah, actually, Ustadzah, I was amazed with all of these students when I was in the first time to come to this school. Why? Because when they want to go to bathroom, when they want to take a drink, when they want to do something, they also ask permit to the teacher. So that's why they are good English, I think. Do you know what I mean, guys? Okay, it's okay. Okay, just one question for Ustaz Anis. Yes, okay. Next to the Aldi. Ustazah. Okay, Aldi, are you happy?
Kind of.
Okay, Aldi, what do you think about English Day in our school? The same question with Miss Tatin and also Miss Anis.
For me, English Day is actually a rare celebration for me because there are many schools that doesn't celebrate English Day. But for me, English Day is also very important because some of our friends here don't know much about English. So we might just learn a thing or two in this celebration. Yeah, that's it.
The last question for Aldi. Silent. What's your advice atau suggestion for your friend for English Day? Or to improve the English skill one?
For tips,
Not yet, guys, not yet.
you can learn many from our friends such as Irma, Ira, and many more. It's actually easy if you learn from a person, not from a book like me. I usually learn English from my online friends.
I see. Is there? Okay. So guys, Aldi said that you need to learn English from your friend. So it's important to speak in English in the class, everyone and every time. Good. Okay.
By the way, Ustadzah, the time is limited.
Okay, if we have a lot of time, so we will give 100 questions to all of the speakers, but the time is limited.
No.
But thank you. Before that, thank you for the participants. Thank you for the answers. We hope that we will have a great celebration for the next year. Okay, because if enough, you can go back to your previous position. Thank you. Give applause, dong. Give applause. Good. Okay.